Lyngba Jelong Manau Snam ke Hima Khairem Kalau Pynkut Noh ia ke Jinglet Niam Shad Nongkrem Daki Jing Duai Pirat Watkum Juru Daki Jingshad Nala Tynrai Haka Riam ke Bait ke Basongkun Hagan ke Sngi Layo ia ke Jingwan Bani Sementar Daki Babuan Belian Kipat Ba Naki Jaka Beper Laban Ong Baya Kani ke Shad Nongkrem Lasdang Haka Sngi Palai Daka Bapom Ya ke Belang Kabelong Rukat Kum ka Ken Tynrai Ukhasi Yakni ka Shad Nongkrem ka belatip ru kum ka pom blang siem lasdang daga jing pom blang na yodo balasan ran da kilingdo hakani ka ski Pynkut artat yakni ka Shad Nongkrem lawan ban sa kilang da kibabun ki kenrem kilendan ki bala shakhot ngobha nadu ka ski ka basdang pat hadu ka ski Pynkut jong kani ka Shad Nongkrem
Thanksgiving festival to God Almighty to bless us abundantly. The people of Himakharim especially in their life, in their struggle for a better livelihood, whether it is in the private sector, whether it is in the agriculture, whether it is farming, and for any other things that they aim to improve their lives in any direction. We sought and we are seeking His blessing always, all the time, through our endeavor to continue with the past, music and dance that we have inherited from our ancestors, with all the religious obligations that we have to perform, seeking His help to solve our problems and to upgrade our lives in the future. So we have seen that this year has been a good year for us, and the day also the weather seems to agree with us today. In the last 2 days, it has been raining, showers and all that, and the threat of a cyclonic storm in the Bay of Bengal. Fortunately for us, that has not dampened our spirit, and today is the ultimate day where you can see that the day has been a bright day for us. The sun has come out abundantly to bless us, and we are happy that the performers are there, so obviously in good numbers, filling up this dancing field, and we are happy to say that we wish and hope that the people will benefit from our endeavor in our lives, so that Himakharim will continue as the bastion of Khasi glory in culture and heritage.
And the Himakharim, I think one of the biggest Hima, you say, they do conducting the customary practices every year, and again today is the last day, and being the last day, I think we have seen it, I've experienced it. I used to attend almost every annual event that we have, and I'm so thankful to the CM of Himakharim, and also I would like to say that because even myself and my constituency is part of this Himakharim, so I'm so proud seeing the turnout of the people during this festival, annual festival, and I'm very sure with this festival that we are having every year, it will bring more blessings to the entire Hima as well as to the state of Meghalaya.